How to make the glitch on beat effect.
When you are ready, I will surrender. Take me and do as you will.
Today's video is sponsored by the island of Mykonos.
This is nightlife. We dance under the moonlight and party till we feel high. We're ready for the good time.
Summer is almost over, so it's time to get back to work. Right-click in your clip, make it a new Fusion clip and open the Fusion page. Hit Command and Space to bring up the tool's search window, and add a displace node. Go to the media pool and bring a grunge image to your flow. You can use any texture image from Google. If your image size is different than your project, just add a resize node after it, and then connect it to the displace node. Select the displace node, change the type to XY. Right-click in the X refraction and select Modify with Audio. For this you'll need to install the Reactor plugin and activate the Suck Less Audio modifier. Go to the Modifiers tab, browse the song file, make sure that it is in wave format. Experiment with the filter to see what is better for you, and decrease the amplitude scale to reduce the strength of the displace. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, who cares?